how to create private channels on Telegram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create the private channels on Telegram. So to create private channels on Telegram, you have to make sure that your Telegram was updated on your device. If it wasn't, you have to go to your Play Store or App Store. Then you have to search for the Telegram on your device, on your Play Store. And here you have to make sure that if there is any update available, then you have to go for the update. And then you can successfully update your Telegram app. After updating your app, you have to go and open up your Telegram app on your device. And here on the bottom, there is edit option. You have to go for that. And you have to go for the new channel option. And to create a private channel, here you can add the photos from your gallery. Also, you can use the emoji here that you like. And go for the state channel photo. And here you can write the channel name. And also you can write the description here. After that, go for the right click, which is on the top right. And if you want to make your channel public, then you have to write the public link here. But we want to create the private channel, so go for the private channel. So to invite your friend, you can copy your link and go for the share option. You can share it through your messenger chat, Instagram, etc. After that, you can go for the right click option. And also you can add the people from your contact list here. And so here you can see that you have successfully created your private channel. So this is the process how you can create a private channels on Instagram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.